Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a font style or the font style in Microsoft Word. So first, you need to make sure that you already opened your Microsoft Word. Now this is how it looks like if you already opened your Microsoft Word. So since we are going to change the font style of a specific word or sentence or phrase maybe, so it depends on you. So for you to proceed on changing that specific font style, you need to select first the word or sentence or phrase that you want. So in that way you can change the font style of it. So the next step we should do is click the font style available in your Microsoft Word so you can check that one beside the font size. So it's here right there. So all you have to do is click the drop box option, and here you'll be able to see all of the available font style in your Microsoft Word. Now let's try to click a specific font style right here. Let's try the Bernard MT Condensed. So right after clicking that one, it will be automatically changed. And there, that's how you change the font style in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.